that stops India in coming up with the, with sovereign AI or developing our own IPs as far as AI is concerned? Where do you think are we getting stuck? If you think this space has to be increased or enhanced, what is the biggest roadblock is what I'm just curious to know.
Are you impressed with what Karnataka does?
Yeah, totally.
If you want it to be done and scale at India level, ensure that I come into Delhi.
Nice.
That's the only way I can do it. Till then I can do it only for Karnataka.
Wow.
But nothing stops us, to be honest, nothing stops us. We need to ensure that there has to be more collaborative efforts in the federal structure, within the central government and the state government. There is, it's not that, I'm not saying it isn't, but I think a little more learnings, because see, states are more agile.
Yeah.
Whether it is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, we are more agile than the central government. And I think if the collaborations happen better, because the ecosystems are here. So it can be done. It's not that it is not done. So whether it's your startup policy, I was listening to one of the speakers say Startup India. Startup India started after Startup Karnataka. Data center policy came after Karnataka. IT policy came after Karnataka's. BT policy came after Karnataka's. EV policy came after Karnataka's. Cyber security policy also came after Karnataka's. So they should, if सुनने के लिए तैयार है तो हम बताने के लिए तैयार हैं.
Right. We need more of influence on other states. Thank you.